Lock replacement 101 is easier than you think. I don't actually go into how it's put back on, but I please my client something chronic and put her locks back on. Throughout her hair, you're only going to see just a little bit at the back, but I actually do her whole head, and she left me absolutely floating. Just look at that, it looks like it was never not there. And this next client, he came in and all his locks were stuck together. Look at that. I mean, I had to go through it, separate it, moisturize it, get it feeling beautiful for him. It did take a while. It was not a quick job. This took me nearly all day, but it was a fun day. It was a good day. We watched films, we talked to the other clients, then we got into it. So I really separated it, and then look at the transformation. Locks were interlocked. Beautiful, all separated, all in position, and as long as it doesn't leave them longer than about 8 weeks, you should be good to go. They won't stick together again, but life gets in the way sometimes, and sometimes that happens. So that's why I'm here, and I can give you the hookup to make sure that your hair, your locks is just looking fantastic, amazing, and the main thing, that they're looking healthy hair. That's the only way you get good hair, through healthy hair.